everyone, my name is Irshad Rather, and today, January 1st, 2025, I will assist you in your interview preparation. Before I begin my presentation, I kindly request you to subscribe my channel, and which is Westwiser, and to give it a like. Today we're going to talk about the interview preparation, how to prepare for an interview. It can be any kind of interview, management interview, technical interview. So I am associated with a technical professional. So my background is from technical, purely technical. Like I'm working as a solution architect in software engineering, SAP. And I will help you. I'll assist you in from technical to the management perspective, because in our profession we have to go for the both. Like first, the first 2 to 3 rounds will be purely technical. Like if you are appearing for any kind of job, then you have to go for almost 3 to 4 or somewhere 5 rounds of interview to qualify for the job. So I'm going to help you what actually I have analyzed during my job tenure so far. I have qualified many interviews, and also I failed interviews. I have till now I have worked for almost 15 CMM level 5 Fortune companies. I can say organizations more than 5 billion net worth. And those are actually I can say medium 500 Fortune 500 companies in India, called 500 Fortune companies. But from global perspective, I have worked with IBM, HP, and IBM, HP, Amtrak Railways, BNSF Railways, Minagri Insurance, T-Mobile, Dell Technologies. These are actually I can say global recognized companies. Also, I can say from the Indian perspective, from Wipro, Infosys, Larsen Turbo, HP, and was that as a Fujitsu, and this Tech Mahindra. So and entity data. So from my experience level, I have almost 17 years of experience. So from my experience perspective, I can better guide you, like how to achieve in your job, and how to qualify your interview. So let's start with the first question. Like first question will be purely it will be like, if it is a technical or a management, then it will be purely about yourself. Like tell us about yourself. So first you should start with like my name is Irshad Rather, or my name is whatever your name is, for starting with your name. Then give me this opportunity. Thank for the people or the HR management. Like my name is Irshad Rather. Thanks for giving me this opportunity today. I have the skills. So the first sentence should be, my name is Irshad Rather, and you are thanks for giving me this opportunity today. Then start with, I have the skills and qualities to match this job description, whatever your job description is, and to perform highly in the role. I have an experience of working with other people. I am someone who is always seeking to learn and develop, and I have the creativity, to help your business grow. And something like, I have an excellent customer services. If you're appearing for any sales related job, then just use that word. Like I have an excellent service for you, to your customers. Outside work, I keep myself fit and active, something like that. So also you can add, I am a positive person who have always embraced change. So you can give the answer like this. But you on other side, like the companies like Amazon, you may have heard about the this AWS is an Amazon Web Services. It's a cloud computing company, but Amazon is a subsidiary. AWS is a subsidiary of entity of Amazon services. You may have heard about the Amazon portal. So Amazon with shopping cart, like online, online, selling products. But AWS is a purely subsidiary as an entity of as Amazon. Like Jeff Bezos is the chief, or we can say the CTO or the CEO of the company. And but it's purely about the engineering, software engineering, AWS, cloud computing, cloud engineering. So they have actually, I have appeared for the interview with the AWS for technical, SAP technical account manager. So I can share my experience. Like in AWS, you have to pass star method. Like there's interview method called star. Like star is like a S stands for situation, explain the overall situation or objective. Task stands for like describe the challenge or a goal where you trying to achieve. Then action stands for like describe the steps you look into to reach your goal. And the result explains like the outcome of your actions, like whether fail or pass. So when you are explaining a star method to any of your question, your result should always be positive. Like it should be pass. Like if you say, okay, I had a situation where my production background was failing, and it's a situation like is S. Then task, describe the challenge. The challenge is like I was the only in the team who had to troubleshoot on this. Why is my background backup failing? Then another is like action. What action you took to resolve this issue? So I have found that there is issue in the path. The path is not set. Actually, the path is not set for the backup. So I found the path like user SAP. I'm giving an example of the SAP related user SAP SID backup or something like that is the path. It's not there mentioned there. So I found that. So I did that. I added the path. That's the action. The result. What is the action? I just actually what I did after the adding the action, after the adding the path, then the result is successful. I run the backup again and it was successful. So if you say it was failed and I didn't do anything, I did nothing, and I just called the team, so the bar raiser or the interview panel will immediately take this as a negative feedback for you. So be careful. Never ever, when you are using the star method, never ever use R as a result as a fail. So that's what actually you have to do. The second question will be asked, why do you want this job? So everybody knows, like whenever I'm going to any company, if it is a pharma company, if it is a it's a technology like a telecom company, or it's any a financial company, banking sector, something like that. So you are preparing as per your job, like as per your company, what company you are applying for. So you have to be prepared from that company domain perspective, I can say. So why do you want this job? So the simple answer should be like, I want this job because it is the role that I'm very passionate about, and I see my long-term career in this position. I will also want this job because having researched your company, that you are clearly innovative, or you can say that like your company is it's a Fortune 500 company. You can just add more positive feedback about the company, that this company is having a very good revenue every year. They are achieving their goals. They are employee positive. They are employee supportive, something like that. You can add those positive feedbacks. Then the third question will be like, how did you hear about this job? Definitely in today's world, everybody, either you use internet sources, or if you are referral sources, like somebody has referred to you, or if you have gone through the internet search, like we have different job portals, like you can say LinkedIn, or you can use ZipRecruiter or Indeed or something like that. Wherever you actually applied for, you can use the same platform. The question number four is what are your strengths? So this is actually the question. Like I have, I have faced this question so many times. But from my perspective, I can say that when you say you can say you should never use that I'm a one man army. I can do this. I can do that. I have a multi skill. No, whatever job you have applied for, if you're a technical, you're a manager, you are salesman, you are sales, whatever you job you applied, you be positive in that area only. My strengths include my ability to learn things very quickly, the fact that I am a people person, which means that I will always be a positive role model for the company, whilst dealing with your customers, and the fact that I see change as a positive thing that I will always embrace it for the better good for the company. And also you use that like I am a challenge taker. I can take challenge. I am the good troubleshooter. I am a person who is who can who can take deep troubleshooting while I'm facing a priority 1 and a priority 2 incidents. So I never give up till it is over. So that is the best answer you can give to this question. The next question immediately you will face is like, what are your biggest weaknesses? So, or you can say that biggest weakness, like you shouldn't say like my biggest weakness is like I can't perform well in the team, or I don't have a proper skills for the job. I have scattered knowledge, something like that. Never do this, otherwise you will never pass this question. You will never pass the interview, because everyone who hires, they hire best talent for their company. So they can give you the mercy, but they never hire you, because the people who hire you, they have been hired for they are doing their job, and their job is to recruit best talent. So what is your biggest weakness is you can see that my biggest, as per my personal experience, I can say that my biggest weakness is I am never, I never give I never give feedback to the people. So that can be one. Otherwise, you can see like my biggest weakness is that fact I don't yet have much experience in talking to the large groups of people. You can say that I'm not a person who can just take care of the large group of people, like presentations, like international level, lead from the front of like large chunk of people. You can say large presentations, like millions of people, like that, like a celebrity kind of thing. So that's what everybody is not a celebrity. So we are not a celebrity. So celebrities. So we can give in that perspective. This is something I am very keen to improve on. So if any opportunities were to arise in this position to gain experience in this area, I would certainly want to take advantage in this area. So that's the best answer to this question. So the next question you can have that, how would you deal with the conflict within a coworker? So if you like it, this question is like, if you see that someone in your team is having a conflict with another team member. So in this perspective, but you are busy with the customer, so you can take a pause with the customer. You can take that, sir, I need some 2 minutes break or 5 minutes break. I'll be just back. But you can go ahead and talk to the, contribute to the conflict before speaking to the coworker in a private to find a, amicable way forward that we were both compatible with. I would always put the needs of my team first and to try to overcome the conflict, so we could quickly resolve the issue. So that's what actually you can do with this with the coworker. Why do you see yourself in 5 years? So this question is like it's not I can say that it's not a regular question, like everybody will ask this question everywhere. So most probably you can face this question in management rounds, not technical rounds. You won't face this question. So you can simply answer this question in the HR rounds or the management rounds, like, I see myself hopefully working for the company either in the same role or having gained achievement to a higher level in 5 years. I would have also developed significantly and be seen as a trusted, reliable and a productive member of the team. So that's why you can answer to this question. Like also you can say I will see myself like in the team as a best performer, and I will also enhance skill in other areas where my company or my team can recommend me for higher roles or higher more newer opportunities, you can say. So where our company or the customer will be very happy with that. So the same, like in a nutshell, where you can say that I will perform in the team in the better way. That's what actually outcome of this question answer is. What is your ideal work environment? You can use that like my ideal work environment is positive in one of the in one where everyone in the team seeks to continually grow and improve. That's the best answer for this question. What experience do you have relevant to this role? You can always use the experience of your skill, like whatever skill you have and whatever job you're applying for. Just focus on those areas and just focus on that skill, and use as much as positive feedback to your skill. Describe yourself in 3 words. You can describe yourself like I would describe myself as a productive, commercially aware, and self-motivated. I'm a productive, which means you will always see me as achieving good things for the business. I'm commercially aware, which means I understand the importance of always doing a good job on the time to help the business thrive. I'm also self-motivated, which means I'll take it upon myself quickly and diligently work through all tasks and duties to help the team achieve its goal. So that's the best answer you can give to this. And what can you do for us that other candidates can do? So this is the question actually I have faced so many times, and this is the completely purely management and final round question. You are going to, if you pass all the technical interviews, then this question is surely coming to your queue if you pass all the management rounds. So I can bring a diverse set of skills, qualities, experience to the team that I believe will help your business grow. I am a strong communicator and I always try to solve problems without troubling my manager. I will always take care of your customers, which in turn will increase the sales. I can also bring a level of knowledge to this role that I believe. This one is like purely like your thought, what you actually can do better than other candidates. Or you can use other things like I have other skills, like I have a management skill. I can help the management in during my teamwork, or I have a leadership skill. I can help my team to learn the management skills or leadership skills. So whatever extra skills you have, where your team can learn and they can help the business growing smoothly. So the final, actually, I just want to conclude is like final questions like why do you want to leave your current job? That's actually important question, and everyone who is hiring you, they will ask you this question. What is wrong with it? They will just go inside this question like, why is this candidate seeking new opportunity? So that is the question actually you are going to face everywhere when you are an experienced person and you are switching the company. So I want to leave my job because I'm seeking a fresh challenge with an exciting and innovative opportunity. Or I can say that like you better to answer like, yeah, I have 17, I have whatever experience you have, I have this much rich experience, and I feel that I am ready for a new role, which I feel that is the higher and the bigger role from my current role. So that in that way you can answer the question like, I am ready for the new challenge. As per my experience, I think I am ready for the new role. I am ready for the new challenge. So which actually is associated with the job description with your company. So the job description which you have posted on this for this job. So that's what you can answer the question. So the final question, actually, I just want to say that the final question is like interview. When everything is done, the interviewer will ask you, do you have any questions for me? You should always ask the questions. Otherwise, the interviewers will take it, they will take it otherwise, because they wanted to know more. They wanted to see whether you are really excited to join our organization. So if you are excited, then then definitely you'll ask a question. So never leave this opportunity. So you should always ask questions, at least 3. So what are the 3 questions you should ask? Like, the question number 1, what would you need me to concentrate on this job in the first 30 days or the first 60 days? Where you want me to focus on the job after hiring for this job, after hiring me for this job? So what would you need me to concentrate during the first 60 or the 30 days of the job? So the second question you can ask, like, what are the plans for the company over the next 5 years? You can ask this job question as well. So the third question is, like, you can ask this question as well. Like, this is a personal question for the interviewer. Like, how long you have been associated with this organization, and do you really love your job, and do you really feel that you have taken a right step while joining this organization? So this is going to be a very interesting and the typical question for the interviewer, and the interviewer will always appreciate that question. Like, he will take it like a positive feedback, like because he will take as a positive feedback, because he will take as a positive gesture, because if this question is like a clear cut answer. If he says, no, I'm not satisfied, then definitely your question is answered. Like, you will answer yourself that why should I then apply for this job? So I have asked this question so many times, and nobody has answered me like, I don't like this job. Nobody has given me the negative answer or the negative feedback. So definitely, if you get the positive feedback for your question, then your job is done. Your question is answered. Then you don't need to ask any more further question. Otherwise, you can add more questions, like what is the team size, where I need to work, or what is the job location, or how many projects I need to work, or something like that. That's what actually I just wanted to prepare today for you. So I will prepare more technical questions in another video. So till now, actually, I think I have covered most important questions for this video. So I'll see if I can bring more technical and the deep questions related to the SAP software engineering and other databases like HANA database, Sybase, or MaxDB, or an Oracle. Till then, I want you to focus on all these questions, and just give me like on this video. I will appreciate that. Thank you so much.